Hola viewers, this is your program tutor and today I'm going to show you how to develop this website in front of you, which is a blog website. We're going to make a blog website today. So here you can see some of the posts, but why should we make a blog website or what are the advantages behind it? At first, blog website is very much important to spread knowledge among people, or many people actually know about lifestyle or some knowledge about what we are studying or something like that, so that it can be spread among people. So we are going to also look in some of the examples. If we take example of blogs like this V's blog, his blog actually help many people to shape their lives all over that. And if you look at the blogs of TechCrunch, they give us tech blogs or tech information, or Healthline blog, they give us many crucial information to shape our body, our mind too. So what we are going to do, at first we are going to be installing WordPress, working on localhost offline. Then we are going to be installing a theme of choice, a good theme, then create some posts and creating pages for identity like the contact us or social or about us page and social media links, so that people can share our blogs or the posts here. So let's get started. So at first I'm going to be installing WordPress. If you know how to do that, I'm going to be giving chapters. You can just swipe out those. And so here I'm going to be installing all of these things, but at first I am going to be creating a new tab. Here I have created and type in localhost/php my admin. So we are going to be installing it on localhost, but whatever you can do actually on online, it also works. And here we are going to be creating a text file, so that we are going to be saving all of the credentials what we need here actually. And then after that, in databases, now here I am going to be giving out a name of a database. Here let me give a name. Let's choose a blog, and after that, if you even name, then click on create. Now we are going to be creating an account, which is, now after clicking on privileges, here I'm going to be creating a new account in privileges. Here add user account, let me give a username here, and I'm generated a random password. Now in the text file I'm going to be writing all of these things. So I've done writing it, and we have to do some other things here. So here, and in this global privileges, just click on check all of those, and in the host name, just type in here in localhost, just select their localhost, because we are working it on localhost. And all the things actually I am showing, they are more or less available in the online way of creating. If you create a a website that is live on the internet. So I'm clicking on go. So my actually the username has been done, and database also created. Now after that, we are going to be doing some other things which we need to set up again, and I've saved all those credentials. Now what I have to do is I need to get my table prefix and the database host in the next installation procedure. Now in that page, okay, and click on let's go here. Now I have to be giving the database name which we have created before, and the username and the password we actually created there in the database, and table prefix should be provided. Okay, just change the table prefix so that it is much more safer. Now click on submit. So all installation has been done successfully. Now click on this button. It should take some time. Okay, it has been loaded. Now I have given all those datas here. These are all data needed for our site to work. The password is for the admin whenever we log in our WordPress, and a password, I actually generated a random password here, and after clicking on submit, this is a success. Now click on login. Okay, there. Now let's give out the username which we give this just previously there in the site name and site password, and just click on here login. Now here just note that in this admin page I am going to be just giving the password which we given in that site password there. Now we have actually successfully installed WordPress. Now I'm going to be getting a theme. Let's get a theme, and let's choose. Actually I have a theme in my head going on. Its name is Faith. Well, it actually, according to me, it was looking good, so I actually decided to get that copy of it, and it was actually free also. It was looking good, so actually I took it. And after installation, click on activate. So theme has been activated, and now let's get a plugin. Actually, here I'm going to be getting that Elementor plugin. As I said before the process we are going to be going through. So here just type in Elementor and select this Elementor website builder, then click on activate after installation. So here you can see the Elementor has been activated successfully, and this is the page, actually the random page which we actually got and the theme. And okay, here you can see I just created a post. I will show you actually how actually I made this post. So let's go to this post here, and you can click here add new. From the post just select add new. Let's give it a name. Okay, I'm giving a name Python. I'm going to giving this, it's actually a programming language. Then click on publish and click with edit with Elementor. This should take some time. We are going to be using Elementor in creating both our posts and pages. Actually it is the same way we are going to be creating post, which is applicable for the pages also, website pages. Now here I am going to be selecting a structure. I need 2 columns, so let's choose okay. Now I need some widgets, I mean a widget. So let's choose a text, that WordPress logo, and okay, let's drag and drop it. Now let's write. I'm getting some dummy text, and next I'm going to be using a widget called image, and here I'm going to be giving a image. Here let's choose this Python sign. Okay, let's resize this image a bit so that it looks good, and let's add some more articles, words. Okay, now it looks good, and I have added some article here, words here. Now let's click, if we click on update, this will be updated, and here you can see when I just click on that arrow, it just showing me the whole page. Now if I click refresh, this should be created. Okay, but there is no image like that JavaScript one, so I will also show you how to make one. Just have some patience here. Okay, all things are done here, and in the right side these are showing just the recent post and comments. Now okay, in this edit post I want to give feature image, and I have created a category name language, and I have selected that category. Now in feature image I want to give a feature image, so that JavaScript the same picture actually shows here when we get to that blog page. Okay, I have chosen one here, and in default theme I want to select this Elementor full width. That actually make it look good actually. Now if we view it here from refreshing, you can see that same picture actually pops up here, and also it's under language category. If you click on that language category, you can see those 2 posts, and this is the post. You can also write more and more and use more and more widgets over here, just like that same process. We use text and that picture, and here you can also resize the image from going to style, and then just there is the height, width, all of those. You can just resize it to your advantage and to make it look good, this blog post. post actually. Okay, now I'm going to creating another post through the same way, and I have created another category named basics of code. Now the same way I am creating this post also, just given our name and then publish and just give a feature image, select Elementor full width. Here I'm going to be giving a picture, what a good picture, what can go on here. Let's choose this one, it looks good. And okay, just we have saved it, and here is actually a picture. I have given a meme of do while loop, and here I'm going to be giving a button where I'm selecting the link. Here you can see I have given button. Whatever widget you want, I have used the widget button. Whatever widget you want, you can just use it over here. And if I just give the link, and if I go and click over there, it should take me to that website, and just aligning it on the center so that it looks kind of good. Now let's give it a better name. Let's write do while loop. Now that color is good. This color actually shows that there is information. If you have a website, you create website using those bootstrap or CSS or something, or that bootstrap, you have seen that info of success information or alert colors. And here I have created another post, but I want to show you another thing. In this image and caption, I have selected custom caption. Go to here, I've given an image, and in edit image, then on this caption, custom caption, I've given a caption so that it's much more descriptive. And now I'm going to be creating menus. Now in menus, I want to create a menu for the post actually. You have seen there we have made some categories, the language and basics of code. Now here let's choose a category, all of those categories, click on those and just click add to menu. And okay, no problem. Okay, the categories are selected here. So after updating this one, if we click on save, and if we want to view this page, you can see here those categories are on the top, so that it's actually easier to view blogs based on categories. It will be more useful and better for the viewers who are viewing your website to get their information based on their needs, and to be more specific on their needs. Here you can see in the category basics of code, there are those tutorial type posts, and in language there are language blogs. Now here I have just created a page called blog, just a random page. And now in this settings and readings, just select this static page and go to this home page and just select blog, post page, just select that blog page. And if we just refresh this one, okay, it's just set on that blog page. Now it's looking okay, fine. Okay, now I am going to be getting a plugin which says social sharing by Danny. Now this plugin actually help us to share the posts. Okay, social sharing by Danny. Let's see, let's search it up. Okay, now just click in install, and it should be okay, install. Now let's click activate. Now what this one does is actually get those links in our blog page or website. Here I have created a about us page, another new. That's actually same as making those posts. Here you can see those links through which we can share. This came from that plugin, social sharing Danny, that plugin that's make our life much more easier. You can just share all of your posts. And in menus, I'm going to be creating another menu for those pages, the pages that I made. Okay, just creating this main menu, and I'm going to be selecting this as primary menu. And from here I'm going to be selecting this, the pages about us and the blog page from view all. Okay, now if we click on this add to menu, this menu, the menus will be added here. So the menus are successfully added. Now if we just refresh this one, here you can see those are of our two pages, that blog and the about us page. If you click on this blog, it shows us this these blogs where we have the blog ones, and this about us page where is actually the information about us. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video.